Welcome everyone. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us as we walk through the 3 steps of success for your school. We are excited for your partnership with us as we strive to serve you with excellence. Our goal today is to take you to the big picture, or 30,000-foot view as many call it. This overview will answer the why, the what, and the how that will make your school a success. As we cover this content, please feel free to pause the video to make notes or write down any questions you have. In addition to our time today, we recommend a thorough reading of our student handbook available on your learning management system. If you have unanswered questions, please let us know and we are happy to help. So let's get started. What are your steps to success? First, communicating vision. This answers the question, why? Second, committing to mission. This answers the question, what? Third, conducting your courses. This answers the question, how? Looking at step 1, communicating vision, ask yourself this question. Why does your school exist? First, biblical literacy. Research on the church has shown a high degree of biblical illiteracy, a Christian education gap, that can only be bridged with an intentional, systematic Bible training program. Your school will offer a sure foundation for students desiring to impact the world for Christ. Second, spiritual formation. Today's ministry leaders are passionate about the commission to make disciples. Your school is the catalyst to achieving this mandate from Christ. Third, ministry effectiveness. Church leaders understand their responsibility to equip the saints to do the ministry. Your school will offer a wide selection of practical ministry courses to do just that. Fourth, cultural engagement. It has been said that transformed people transform the world. An equipped follower of Jesus will be able to represent the kingdom of God in culture and exercise a redemptive influence. Your school will equip students to engage the culture. Fifth, marketplace impact. Success and influence on the job and in the marketplace is greatly empowered by gaining God's perspective on issues of leadership, business, and finance. Your school will position students for maximum impact. Sixth, total access. As a partner, your school has full access to the Christian Life School of Theology Global Curriculum. This also means your students receive a full range of support services. Seventh, financial resources. You are investing in your school, not someone else's. Ministry spends substantial sums of money each year on materials without any return. With our partnership, over 40% of the tuition revenues collected remain with your school to use in any way you wish. Eighth, relationship. Christian Life School of Theology Global is committed to helping your school educate, empower, and encourage students to leverage their lives toward kingdom mission in the local church, school, or marketplace. As we look at step 2, committing to mission, ask yourself this question. What does your school look like? You can take advantage of multiple ways to deliver courses via our online learning management system, or LMS. First, online classrooms. Individual students in your school can take a course online and on demand, anytime and anywhere. This option is the ultimate in flexibility, allowing you to help students find their own learning pace. Second, video classrooms. Courses contain about 10 hours of video lecture. These are perfect for group viewing as a class with or without a facilitator. Third, hybrid classrooms. Combining number 1 and number 2, an expanded learning experience happens when students view video lectures on their own time and gather as a group to discuss the course contents, encourage each other, and study for exams. Fourth, live classrooms. Many faculty are available to teach in your school. If you have a large enough class, inviting a member of the faculty to present their course live is a great opportunity. Fifth, locally authorized teachers. A member of your team can qualify to teach our courses in a live setting. We can help qualify your local teacher and equip them with everything they will need to teach an effective course. Of course, we always encourage you to get creative and use multiple delivery options and even create your own. Finally, in step 3, conducting your courses, ask yourself this question. How do your students succeed? Your online LMS is a true one-stop shopping experience. First, your custom LMS branch is essentially a full website for your school. It combines powerful functionality with extreme ease of use to deliver information, course lectures, materials, and exams. First, it'll provide information to prospective students via the homepage, including a complete course catalog, full student handbook, frequently asked questions, new student registration, your school's membership and partnership explained, full faculty listing, and how to contact your team. Second, it will deliver course lectures, materials, and exams to registered students instantly and with ease. Students easily enroll in courses directly from the course catalog, while your school's tuition share is electronically deposited. Students complete exams with immediate results, enjoying the movement freely within the exam, logging in and out, and returning to where they left off, all before they submit the exam. Third, your LMS also gives access to information, documents, and forms for registered students via their LMS account, including a course catalog, student handbook, student help, a contact page, my courses, my files, and more. Finally, administrative access lets you see your students' progress and results. Second is student support. We serve you to best serve your students. Registration, course enrollment, and grading are all accomplished by our team serving you. Evaluations of prior learning, degree and certificate applications, and official transcript requests are all completed by our team. Student forms are available in the student help of the LMS, including a request for evaluation of prior learning, degree completion advisement, degree and certificate applications, official transcript request, emergency course extension request, and more. So, what is left for you? We carry all of the academic and administrative load so you can focus on creating student life and coaching your students. First, help your students choose the courses that best fit their academic and leadership goals. Second, help your students complete their degree completion advisement and follow up with their progress. And those are the 3 easy steps to your success. We're excited to provide you with the academic integrity and administrative support you need to serve your students toward their academic and leadership goals. In addition to our time today, we recommend a thorough reading of our student handbook available on the LMS. If we can add one last thought, it is to keep it simple and consistent. While our courses are intentionally challenging, the tools and systems that we use are not. The LMS is very intuitive and easy to use. People just need the keys to get them through the door, and the system takes care of the rest. If you have unanswered questions, please let us know and we're happy to help. Thank you again for your time to meet, and have a great day.